Hello everyone, this is Hugh, just doing a little bit of back testing, and I just want to show you something that I thought was interesting. Sometimes what I like to do is I like to just let the program run and see if I can find any patterns in the price action. Uh, Sorry, this thing's running a little bit slow because I'm running the recording program and Forex tester at the same time, and this computer is pretty old, so it's not running as quickly as usual. But I think you can kind of get the idea. This is my London trade that I've been working on for a while, and the lines on the horizontal lines on the screen are pivot points. The moving averages are that's the alligator from Bill Williams. I got the regular MACD 1226.9, and I got a 21 period Williams percent R. So sometimes I just kind of sit here and look at the big picture and try to step back and see, okay, is there something that I'm missing, or is there something that I can be using in my trading that will help me out, and just not having to worry about putting in any trades or executing any trades. So um, so let's take a minute to watch this go here. I think it's moving fast enough, so we can get a little bit of observation in here. So one thing I have been noticing is that the alligator is a really good way to stay in the trend. If price pierces this blue line here, that's a pretty good sign that price is either going to flatten out or it's going to reverse. And yeah, that's something I've been watching. And see, like you can see here, um, the blue line would have kept you in, and once it closed above the blue line, maybe about here, then you should probably get out. And then here it goes again. But a question that I was asking myself was, should I stay in this all the way? I mean, it seems as though there's this big spike and then it'll snap back and then it'll cross the line, right? Like here, this huge spike, snap back, even out. See there, you see the big spike down, snap back, kind of even out. And then you'll probably see a spike here if it's going to move. Not that big of a move on that day. It's a Friday. So see what happens. This is a Monday. It's a very slow trend up, but a very nice trend. And then you get the evening out in the Asian session. And these horizontal lines, if you don't know, are the different day separators. And here we go again, same pretty similar pattern. So I'm just going to stop it here for a second. And what my London trade tries to do is it tries to find, I guess the cheapest place to get in for that day. So I'm looking to find either the top, not find it, but get pretty close to the top or the bottom for that day. So in this case, going into London, we're looking at this price action here. So I could have either played this bounce here where percent R was oversold, or I could have looked at this support level here where price is overbought in this area. And in this case, if I had gotten in here, put my stop maybe up here, and then just ride this down, I would have I would have had a good night. So another thing that I've been noticing too is that at the end, kind of towards the end of the New York session, right around this area on the chart, that's where things tend to blow off and then it kind of snap back. So I might be leaving some money on the table by waiting for it to cross over. In this case here, you can see it kind of blew off right there and it continued a little bit more, but that was just kind of icing on the cake. So let's go forward and let's see if we can spot that pattern in the next few days. So there, trend is up and then it'll stop. So if I did exit, well, let's just let that one go. That wasn't a very big trending day. Okay, here we go. This looks like a pretty decent trending day. Okay, that's not bad, so let's stop that there. And then let's look at, so got pretty close in the percent R to overbought here. Resistance point, pivot point, resistance, so probably would have gone short right there, that right here on this bar. It looks like a pretty good signal bar, so it would have been short there. Bottom was at 128. Crossover, not crossover, but close above was at 86. So, that's about 30 pips that I lost by waiting. So at this point, I'm thinking, what if I just exit, around this period of time? And that might be the best way to do it instead of holding on. So let's kind of move forward and see if that holds up. Okay, so right about there is where you probably exit, and that's probably about the right exit on a nice little trend there. Let's see which way this market goes. Ranging, ranging, ranging. And it looks like it's going to be a ranging day. Yeah, it's a ranging day, so that can't be helped. Okay, is that going to be a real breakout? No. Another ranging day. Oh, there you go. Nice big breakout. And so you probably would have sold, or I probably would have exited the position. Oops. Probably about here. 1530. Yeah, that's probably about the best place to get out. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep on doing this, but hope that gives you something to think about and something to backtest. This is not necessarily a strategy in itself yet, so don't trade off of it. But I hope I just gave you a couple ideas of what to look for, and maybe just letting the charts run is a good way to figure out some trading strategies for you. So thanks for watching, and hope you're trading well.